Hi guys, Zorimor here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a unboxing and try-on video. I'm gonna share with you Sezane's winter collection, and since the holidays are just around the corner, I'm gonna sneak in a few gift ideas in there. You might have seen a few of the pieces on my Facebook group. I already shared sneak peeks on there. If you're not part of the group, I'm gonna link to it in the description of this video. I share content on there daily. You can ask me questions, we can connect in a more direct manner. I hope to see you on there. If you enjoy watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. I'm also using a brand new vlogging camera. If you notice something different in the video or the audio, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Your feedback is really important to me. Now, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. First, let's start with a few gift ideas for the men in our lives. All of these pieces are by October Editions, which is Sezane's sister brand that caters to men. Number one, you can gift an accessory. I think accessories are a really easy and versatile choice for a gift. The baseball caps by October Editions come in many different bright colors. I love that they are executed in corduroy as opposed to the usual cotton options that you have in the sports stores. There is an adjustable strap at the back that's made out of leather. Again, a really cute and fun accent. I think this is a crowd pleaser of a gift that you can go for. Alternatively, if you want something more seasonal, you can go with a sweater. This is the Oliver sweater. It's a fisherman's knit sweater made out of 100% wool. We actually just received it this morning. The sweater has no itch and is so ready Henry's favorite. We are packing it with us to our trip to New York. It will make a fantastic gift, and you can still purchase it in pretty much all the sizes, but hurry up, it will go fast because of the nice quality. If you want to gift something that has the all year round appeal, I recommend the men version of the wool jacket. This has been worn by Henry every other day. It's probably his most worn item ever, and all of his male friends have acquired a jacket like this after seeing it on him. It's just so easy to style, it's comfortable. It can be worn as a top layer during spring and summer, and it can be worn as a medium, like middle layer in fall and winter, so you can actually wear like a puffer jacket on top of it. So this is really functional and easy item that will make a fantastic gift. For the ladies in your life, you can safely go with a jewelry box. Such an easy gift. They help you stay organized. I travel with two of these at all times. Here I have my earrings, my rings, and I kept a few of my necklaces here in this drawstring compartment. If you want to expand on the gift, you can always include a piece of jewelry in the box. Sezane has some fantastic earrings. I love this necklace I got from them this summer when I was in Paris. It's really beautiful and timeless. I got this pendant, but I also ordered one of the little letter tiled pendants from them, and I'm waiting for it. It has the letter Z on it, which is my first letter, but it also my mom's first letter. I lost my mom to cancer a while back, so this will be a little meaningful gift from me to me that will remind me of her on a daily basis. All jewelry arrives in these little pouches, which means you don't have to further gift wrap your present. You can just add like a little red bow if you wish, but you can just put it like this underneath the Christmas tree, and I'm sure the lady that it's meant for will be so excited and looking at it and trying to guess what's inside. And last but not least, you can always, and I mean always, go with an Artemis belt. Hands down, this is my most worn item by Sezane. I always get tons of compliment when I wear it. It's really versatile, and I think for the price point, you can't find possibly a better gift. This here is the Angie jumper. So much beautiful feminine detail on this knit. I think this cardigan embodies the ethos of Sezane as a brand. I absolutely love it. However, I made a mistake while I was ordering. I got size extra small, which is one size bigger than what I wanted to order. I wanted to go with the extra small, and trying it on, I love the look of it, but I think it's just a tad bit too big. So I'll be sending this one back. Hopefully if they restock the extra small in white, I'm gonna repurchase it. If they don't, I already placed an order for the yellow color extra small, and I'll share that with you as soon as I get it. The jumper has a little bit of an itch to the touch. I know some of you are very sensitive. Unfortunately, this is not the cloud soft texture. It has a little bit of itch. Not too bad, but it's there. For those of you purchasing from Poshmark or other resale sites, please be careful, because I've been reading so many horror stories about fakes lately. This is a close-up of the composition label. That's one way that I hear people are verifying. They're verifying that their purchase is real. I think another thing you can do is you can ask the seller for their order number, and then you can run the order number through Sezane's customer service. They can verify that the same piece was purchased through that order number from their website. It's a little bit of a lengthy process, but given the prices on pieces on Poshmark, I think it's worth it. Stay vigilant. This here is the Alicia skirt, size 34. It fits really well. All of my other Alicia skirts are size 34. There is no deviation in the way this cut feels, so get your usual size. I love that there is this gold thread that runs through the pattern, through the weave of the fabric. It gives it a festive feel without being too holiday. You know what I mean? It's not your typical Christmas colorway, but that is great because you can wear this skirt all year round. I really think it's good for winter with the like a darker black boot and like a darker sweater, but then for the spring you can wear it with yellow and purple. There is a lot to pull from and have fun with. Here I have the Carolina skirt, size 34, which is my usual size. There is no need to size up or size down. Color wise, we have deep brown with wine red, yellow, pink, and some teal. Throughout the fabric there is a weave of a golden thread, and same as the Alicia, the golden thread gives the skirt a really festive feel to it without making it too Christmassy. That contributes to the skirt being more versatile. I appreciate that. You don't have to like box this pattern only for this one specific holiday. You can style it all year round. The Carolina skirt is a silhouette I already own in other patterns. I find that the length is really flattering and the ruffle is super fun. This here are the Fabio pants, a size 34, which is my usual pant size by Sezane. The fit is really good. The pants are made out of 100% wool. The inside of the pants is lined, which means don't worry, you would not feel any of the itchiness of the wool on your legs. That's always a great move. Hands down, the Fabio pants are my favorite winter pants by Sezane this year. They're so flattering. I'm crossing my fingers that they're gonna bring them in more colorways. I'll be there on standby to add them to my cart. Here we have the Maria skirt, size 34. It fits true to size. There is no need to size up or size down. The material is 100% viscose. It's really flowy, and don't be alarmed by the lighter colorway. The skirt is lined, no transparency to be worried about. I personally really enjoy the colors of this skirt. There is pinks, reds, greens and yellows. I think for fall and winter you can style it with darker tones, like for example the tom jumper I'm wearing right now. It's a great combination, but then for spring and summer you can pull some of the lighter pinks and beiges and enjoy the skirt in the warmer weather as well. This versatility I keep bringing up is something I really care about when I'm deciding on whether or not I should keep a Sezane piece or not. Alright guys, this is it for today. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think of these pieces. Did you snag any of them? Are you waiting for something specific? Are you shopping for any gifts on the Sezane website? I want to know. If you enjoy watching today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.